Hello there! The students of DPS Sharjah embarked on an inspiring educational journey across Belgium and France, organized by Miracle Learning. The experience began in Brussels, where students enjoyed a hands-on Belgian waffle-making workshop, followed by visits to mini-Europe, the Atomium, and Autoworld. At the Royal Belgian Institute of Natural Sciences, they explored interactive exhibits, including Europe's largest dinosaur gallery. The highlight was the immersive 3-day program at the Euro Space Center, where students trained like astronauts, experienced space simulations, and gained insights into life beyond Earth. In Paris, they toured the Eiffel Tower, sailed on the Seine River, and explored the art and history of the Louvre Museum and Versailles Palace. The trip concluded with a magical day at Disneyland Paris. This enriching international tour blended learning, culture, and exploration, empowering young minds and creating memories to last a lifetime.